What's up, guys? Wow, you really came to watch me. Thanks very much, man. I really appreciate it. Today I'm excited. Why? Because I have two devices in this studio. The first one is a X-Tigi phone. The second one is Itel. But then before I go on, and you better button 3,000 coins. Before that, these two companies are saying a lot about their devices, but also being supporting me. I am in charge of my own thing. So I decided to tell you whatever is wrong with the device. Okay, I'm trying to be honest with you. Again, shout out to Franco Trading Enterprise. I bought these two phones from them. You know, in Ghana here, it takes a lot of effort to get your hands on these devices. This is an unboxing video. The review of these two devices are going to come later on. So let's dive right in. The first phone, please stay right here. Let me get the first phone. Is the X-Tigi V6. The X-Tigi V6. The second phone is the Itel A56. Now this phone is a young phone, but it has Android built into it. So it has touch screen. You can play Subway, you can WhatsApp, you can watch videos on YouTube on this phone. And it also has 4 gigs of RAM. Okay. Apart from that, the Itel 2 has 8 gig of RAM and it has a touch screen. It's not a YAM. Okay. So in the review, we are going to talk a lot about it. But then, this is it. Let's dive right into the video. Today, we have the X-Tigi V6 over here. And the Itel A56 right here. Okay, the box has been opened. I opened it. I wanted to find out if the product was actually in. Now, the success over here is making me think of something. But wait. So, today, we are going to unbox it and then later on, we'll reveal it and tell you our honest impression about these two products. You know, back here in Ghana, it takes a lot of effort to get these products unless you buy them with your own money. But again, none of these companies is sponsoring us, so you gotta do what you gotta do. So let's unbox the A56. Bigger is better. Okay, let's go right in. Okay, another thing, shout outs to Franco Trading Enterprise. I bought this phone from them. So we have the phone over here, A56 Itel IPS full screen. Hey, can't play, brah. Okay, so we have the phone here, dual camera, Itel fingerprint. Okay, charger and the headphone jack, and the back too is plastic. For those of you who are fanboys of phones with glass back, this isn't for you. And then holds fingerprints very well also. The phone here. Let's go into the box. In the box you get a USB charger, an earpiece, it's not the quality one, and a power brick. Okay, you can see in the box a power brick. Okay, and a clear case too. Okay, on the phone. Then let's go into the X-Tigi V6. Okay. Oh, the unboxing feel premium. Okay, now let's go into the phone. Wow. Okay, so here's the phone. Wow, this phone looks like an iPhone X. Like a premium phone. Oh, come off. Look at the back. And then okay, it's made of plastic, although. Hey, Asamo. Okay, yeah, AirPod jack, USB charger, and then SIM. Okay, SIM tray. Okay, so you can't remove the back, but the Itel you can. Okay, now let's go deeper. So we have our power brick over here. Okay, our power brick over here, and then we also have a charger, USB charger here. Okay, and then headphones, the poor quality, the on quality, how would you say it in the Bible, the on quality ones. And then a clear case. Okay, the case too look good, and then a same too. Okay, so guys, that's all for today. We are going to review these phones and then we'll tell you our impressions on them. We are going to show you pictures of these two phones. Make sure to take a look at it and make the best decision. If you enjoyed the video, please support me. Subscribe to this channel, ring the notification bell, and also do well to comment on this video. Share this video and let's build this channel.